Welcome to Open Cloud, accounting and auditing system for students, professionals and trainers. This is centralized, multi-user and multi-firm, multinational based system. Student from anywhere and anytime can register, log in and start work on the application, according to practical work and assignment. They can share on data to make single or multiple reports, charts, graphs and data work for executive or management reporting. For example, one accountant work from location A and other accountants sit and connect with same server through the application and start work from location B. Their manager is available on location C and see or review their work. Check their work according to accounting or auditing standard to make executive and management reports in summarized form. Their executives or shareholders or stakeholders can check their work from any other location, as per given privileges or access on security, basis and company terms. This kind of ideal system is becoming popular in global job market. Therefore, professionals with such multinational multi-users and multi-firm system are on high demand. These locations are in metropolitan area, cities or countries, so you make such assignments from different locations in the project, and we allow you to work with different users, either guest or registered one, to make accounting, financial audit as per standard. You have provided company 10 years sample data vouchers related to nature of business and work given to you on recommended or desired position in the software program for which you have to make required financial and audit reports. Then our company will check your work, access your knowledge and award you certification and internship letter for Open Cloud Multinational System Auditor. Our purpose is to make certified open-skilled professional auditor for global job market and such human resources on high demand as compared to ACCA, CA, CMA, CFA, CIA, CPA, MBA, MCOM, MS in accounting, auditing, system and tools. We are providing equal opportunities to all. In this video, we are connecting with cloud server and logging to application. Open internship, global entries module, where transactions are coming from different users, who are working from different places and from different branches or firms. We check regular entries are coming and check timely after refreshing page by pressing F5 button or refresh from menu. We also check the ledger information of the accounts by firms and by users. Now in practical work we check these transactions and copy and paste into Microsoft Excel. Set Excel sheet and format. Apply filter and check different accounts sum amount by all users or firm. Now prepare graphs or chart accordingly and prepare ledger and submit work to the mentor. In other module you perform regular work on accounting and other available module. Contact your online registered trainer for your progress as accountant and auditor. Connect with Open Library to get books, library access and read online practical work pages. For more information about internship, certification, internship or practical work, please contact us or visit our website www.askbiztech.com.